Breaking right now, a Fayette County grand jury will decide if paroled convicted child sex offender Timothy Vess Benton will face additional charges. Last month, a CBS 42 investigation looked into how Vess Benton was released to house arrest after serving 5.5 years of a 17-year prison sentence. CBS 42 Scott Minshall is at the Tuscaloosa County Courthouse, where Benton had a preliminary hearing today.
The big news out of court today is the judge finding probable cause to move forward with the alleged SORNA violation that caused Timothy Vess Benton to be arrested last month. One of Benton's victims' families was in the courtroom today. They say the judge's ruling gives them hope.
We got a small victory today. We'll be going to grand jury, see if he gets indicted, and we'll go from there. We're looking at some time, maybe 6 months or so, but it's a start. They could have let him walk. They didn't.
That was Chris Keys, the father of one of Timothy Vess Benton's victims, describing what happened in court today. In 2017, Benton was indicted by a grand jury on 48 charges ranging from human trafficking to sodomy. To avoid a trial and secure a prison sentence for Benton, the Key family says they supported a plea deal which Benton took in 2019. He pled guilty to 2 counts of sodomy and was sentenced to 17 years in prison. In August, Judge Samuel Junkin modified Benton's sentence, releasing him into his parents' home under a form of house arrest. The Key family was not notified of the change to Benton's sentence, which caused outrage in Fayette. In court today, a Fayette County deputy testified that Benton failed to provide a valid state-issued ID within 14 days of his release, which he says is a state law for sex offenders. Following a CBS 42 investigation into Benton's release, both the Fayette County District Attorney and Judge Samuel Junkin recused themselves from the case, which is why Benton appeared in the Tuscaloosa County Courthouse today, with the Attorney General's office as the prosecution. Key says he feels confident that justice will be served.
It was a good feeling just hearing him say that it's going forward, that everybody did everything right.
The next step in this case will be for a Fayette County grand jury to convene and decide if and what charges Benton will face for the alleged SORNA violation. As of now, there is no timeline on when that will happen. We did try to speak with Benton's defense attorneys after court today. They tell us they have no comment. Reporting in Tuscaloosa, Scott Minshall, CBS 42 News.